Hi everyone. All right, so my post finally made it on the one with the writing on my t-shirt that was supposed to be Tuesdays, I think. Mondays? Maybe Monday? Tuesdays. I don't know, but I don't know why it's taking so long for them to load. They're ready to come in. If you have any questions for me about anything that's said during any of these posts, please DM me. I will clarify. They will clarify. I know what they're going to speak about today because it's something that I experienced during my meditation this morning in my connectivity to somebody new. Yes. Hello. Yes. We are so happy to be here again in this format, sharing this information with all of you. Today we are wanting to speak a little bit about plugging in and what to expect, what you are intending or not intending during plugging into your higher self. So often you all are having the belief that you are doing it wrong, that something is wrong when you're meditating, plugging in. But what we are wanting you to understand is that the most important part of this process, all right, the most important part of this process is your intention. Yes, this is the drug. So if you are intending to receive, intending to connect, intending to be at peace, to be one with all there is, then it will be whether you feel like the experience is something different or exceptional or impressive, perhaps. Our intention in this video is to simply explain that your intention going into your meditative state, to your plugging in, should be, I am one with all there is. I am one with all there is. I am one with all there is. The reason we are asking you to hold this intention as you are beginning to connect with your higher self is because this releases all expectation. It does. This is the truth, because when you are intending to be one, but you do not know what this means yet, you do not know what this feels like yet, you have no expectation about what you will be encountering within this process, and so you are releasing yourself completely and surrendering completely, okay? And so when you set your intention to be one with all there is, one with the universe, one with your higher self, this all meaning the same thing, all intention the same. You are creating a state of allowance for yourself. You are creating a state of allowance. You are creating the receiving mode. You are putting yourself in acceptance of the natural state which will come, which will follow this intention. I am one with all there is. Because the unfamiliarity with this state will allow you to simply sit and enjoy, to sit and receive, to sit and experience, because you do not know what this is meaning to be one with all there is. And so you are creating a state of openness for yourself. We believe this will help so many of you, because you don't know what you're looking for. You're expecting something, and then when you're plugging in and nothing big is happening, no trumpets or bright light in the sky shining down upon you, you're thinking you've done something wrong. And this is silliness. This is simply not the truth, because as we've said, you must practice this. But when you say, I intend to be one with all there is, you are putting yourself in a state of open receiving. And this will be so helpful to you in your experimenting within this state. Sitting in the joy, sitting in the moment, acknowledging when a thought creeps in and saying, oh, there's my thought about my grocery list, and releasing it back. The more you practice, friends, the better you will get at this, and the closer you will begin to come into the state, which is the state you are intending to feel the oneness. It is all the critical evaluation on your part. Oh, I'm not doing this right. Which is causing resistance in you. So simply sit or lie down or be where you are feeling pleasant and happy. And put smile on your face and feel the joy moving through you as you set your intention to be one with all there is. Alright, we think this little tip is going to be very helpful for you. So enjoy the day, enjoy your meditative state today, and move into your world in awareness of your vibrational level, and keep your music flowing to help distract you from all of the contrasts you're not wanting to get angry or upset about. Just laugh at it and say, this is interesting. I wonder where this is going to be leading me, because I trust this contrast today, and maybe it is going to be delivering me to everything I want. Mwah, mwah, mwah. All right. We love our message today. It is wonderful, and it will be so helpful to so many of you. Okay. Have a wonderful day. Mwah, mwah, mwah. We love you so much. Yeah, I had a great meditation this morning, and I don't know, lots going on. I'll probably be sharing very soon. But this was just one little part of it. All right, have a great day.